like a big snow castle in the afternoon sun. Everyone, yes, everyone, had stopped at the top of the hill to look at the temple, the beautiful temple.
Take the next right onto South Race Course Road, then slide left onto Main Street.
Went with Jesus and his friends to the temple. But when they got there, the sounds coming from the temple didn't sound like a temple at all.
Take the next right towards South Race Course Road, then turn left on South Race Course Road.
Ahí es azulita. Por ahí que la van a mover allá, mira, ma. Que mira, pedacito.
200 meters,
Esa es la
turn
oficina
left onto
postal.
Caledonia Road.
Ese pedacito ahí es
Had
una...
brought to the temple cattle, sheep, and doves to sell for offerings. They shouted, "Buy cattle for your offering! Buy sheep for your offering! Buy doves for your offering!"
Take the next left onto Caledonia Road.
Clinking their money. It didn't seem like a temple at all. Not at all. It was like a noisy marketplace.
Jesus stood in the doorway. The cattle traders looked at him. The sheep traders looked at him. The dove traders looked at him. They all stopped their shouting and selling. The money changers stopped clinking their money. Everyone looked at Jesus and waited to see what he would do. Jesus raised his arm. He said,
"Take these things hence."
such a hurrying and a scurrying. The traders hustled the cattle out. They rushed the sheep out. They grabbed the dove cages and ran.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
Didn't even stop to take their money. All the grown-up people ran away from Jesus. But the children didn't run away from Jesus. Mark and Sarah and all the children crowded close around him. Jesus told them stories. He took the little ones on his knee. A little boy went to sleep on his lap.
Then the sick people came to Jesus. The boy with a hurt leg came hobbling on crutches. Jesus put his hand on the hurt leg and made it well. The boy threw away his crutches. Now he could walk, he could run, he could jump.
A father and mother brought their sick little girl to Jesus. She was so sick they carried her in a hammock. Jesus took her small, thin hand in his. He said,
"Be well, little girl. Be well."
The little girl sat up and smiled. She was well.
A boy led a blind man to Jesus. The blind man's eyes were tight shut. He had never seen a tree or a house, not anything. Jesus made his eyes see, and the first thing the blind man ever saw was the lovely face of Jesus.
The children were so happy when they saw the sick people made well. They again waved palm branches and sang the Hosanna song. The grown-up people who had run away came back. They looked in at the temple doors and heard the children singing. They said to Jesus,
"Make the children be still."
But Jesus liked to hear the children sing. He didn't want them to be still.
When it began to grow dark, Samuel closed the temple doors. And then came the time he liked best. It was the story time.
Samuel brought his favorite book and sat on a stool beside Jesus.
Vamos a comer, madre.
Samuel's book did not have pages to turn.
Si no nos da, te compraremos.
Rolled into a roll.
Oh, too much chicken.
Priest Eli unrolled the book and read him stories about Joseph and Moses.
Madre, ¿tú comes frijoles?
Much too soon for stories to open and
Es que lo único que tenemos allá